Welcome, little great kids! Let's have fun playing with Play-Doh! You can create a lot of things just using your imagination! Look, it is Peppa Pig! It seems like she and her family are joining us today. Let's start with the purple color, one of my favorites. Hey, what will you do first? Will it be a car? No, I got it. It is a lollipop, right? What do you think of my little gray kids? Wow, that's a snail. Really pretty, don't you think?
Wow, that's really amazing.
Oh, wow! It's a paw from Paw Patrol, right? It's Chase Paw. Hello, Chase. Ha! Oh, now I know. It looks like a beautiful flower. What do you think, guys? Look, that's the pink color. What are you doing now?
Huh?
Of course, doing pink hearts is a great idea because loving is the best part of life. Now is the orange Play-Doh turn. Ah! Just tell me, guys, is that a little star?
Oh, I love it.
Yes, I knew it. It is a purple and beautiful flower.
Whee! It's so pretty.
We had finished our work today. Woohoo! Hey, what's that? Hey, look, it's our friend Peppa Pig.
Wow!
Hey, what are you doing with that orange Play-Doh again? Oh, wow! It's Peppa Pig face!
Yeah!
I love playing with Play-Doh. It is really cool. Okay, my little gray kids. See you on the next video. Bye!